Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to remove the recommended section in Windows 11 Start menu. Let's start. As you know guys that you cannot remove the recommended section of a Start menu through Windows settings. You can do it by a third-party application by the name of Explorer Patcher. To download the Explorer Patcher, open a browser and navigate to this address. I have put down the link in the down below video description. Copy it and paste it in your browser. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the 𝑭𝒊𝒏𝒅 to download the file. As I have already downloaded, I will not download it again. After the file is downloaded, open the Downloads folder. Right click on the Explorer Patcher and run it as administrator. In the user account control, click on Yes. It will restart the Windows Explorer. Now open Start menu and search for Explorer Patcher. Run the Explorer Patcher as administrator. In the user account control, click on Yes. By default, when you open the Explorer Patcher for the first time, your taskbar style will be changed to Windows 10. If you want to change it back to Windows 11, click on this option, Taskbar Style, and choose Windows 11, and then click on the Restart File Explorer. To remove the recommended section of Windows 11, click on the Start menu. Now, there is an option to disable the recommended section. Click on the cross button to check it, and then click on Restart File Explorer. Now let's see that whether the recommended section is removed or not. As you can see guys, the recommended section is removed. To uninstall the Explorer Patcher, simply close it. Open the folder where the downloaded application is stored. Rename the setup file to ep_uninstall. Press enter from your keyboard. Now run the application to uninstall. Here it says that, are you sure that you want to remove the Explorer Patcher from your computer? Click on Yes button. In the user account control, click on Yes. It will restart the Explorer once again to remove all the components. And as you can see guys, that it says the uninstallation is completed. Click on OK button. And now let's see that whether the recommended section has come back or not. Yes, we have the recommended section once again in Windows 11 Start menu. The Explorer Patcher has lots of settings which I will cover in a separate video. And for now, that's all guys. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.